Hello and welcome again for another quick tutorial. It's just demonstration how to use Mixiamo character inside Houdini KineFx and add some RBD destruction with it. So this is where we add just a draft. This is the animation, just a quick one and without any modification or enhancement. So you can download the characters from Mixiamo and you choose your character and you choose the animation and download it as FBX. Now let's go to Houdini. Here you go to the first frame. Okay, so first thing first, you need to import the FBX character through the FBX character import. This will import the geometry and automatically it convert the units, otherwise it will be huge, so it's converted, Ctrl G. Then you need the animation, also it's an FBX, we use the FBX in animation import. I had it's called sword and shield attack, and the other one is this one, it's zombie ideal, and this one joyful jump, just to demonstrate the motion clip sequence. Now to combine them all together, you need first to add a motion clip that will show all the poses, and you then use motion clip sequence, and in the motion clip sequence it will calculate, see, first one it will end up here, second one here, so it's continuing the locomotion. How it doing it? By computing the locomotion joint, and I'm choosing the hip and I'm orienting all the axes. Okay, then I layer it again with another motion sequence, and this is the joyful jump, again another motion sequence with the same setting, and I have the ideal pose. So this is all the poses. Then you need a motion clip evaluate. The evaluate will run them together. Then you need to blend it or deform the character with it with the node bone deform. So this is our character. Nice. So other thing, I have this file I brought from sidefx, model a procedural house project file. I just use couple of the asset. I use the door frame, the door, and the bricks. I didn't even add the roof. You can add it, and I applied some material, but you can apply them down below. Then I group each asset alone, merge them together. I added a transform just to have a good position with the character. I unback it. Then I applied RBD material fracture, but only one layer of fracturing and constraint. This is the amount. Then to connect all the groups together, bricks with door and frame, now all are joined together. This is the constraint, and I added RBD config just to freeze some of the area. Let me reselect again. I want to freeze this and freeze this. Very good. Also this I will freeze. That's enough. Enter. So see, it's in black, so it's frozen. It will be inactive, but it will affect the active bodies. Then I went to the RBD solver, and in the RBD solver, first one is the high-resolution geometry, the constraint, and the proxy, and the last one is the collision part, which is our character. And because it's animating, so in the where is it now? In the solver, in the collision, I choose create deforming static object. So this is quick animation. So if you visualize it from here, this is our character. Smashing through the door. Okay, anyway. Then I unback, apply the material according to the groups. I just applied quick material, nothing fancy. A wood chip, but I removed the texture, just a color, and a rock, just a gray color. Okay, and I added a grid for the ground and the character itself, and I merge it all together. Very good. Now the other part is I want to isolate the moving pieces, and by using the shelf tool debris, I select only this area, which went here and created a source. Now this is the source that I selected. Now I make a switch here at frame 12, because I don't want all the particle to start generating from the beginning. So after frame 12, it will start to generate, computing the velocity and debris source. Okay, then it went to the pop network. I added a ground, I added a character, and I make it deforming geometry. So these are the small chunks, small fragments. Then importing it through the dub import. Now I want to create small fragments. I made a sphere, I fracture it, exploded the view, and I choose one piece. I put it to the origin, created a normal. Here I randomize for the points the B scale, so something big and something small, very small, and they will be all oriented on the same axis. So I put random scale by adding a tribute triangle. I wrote at orient random at pt num, and you can add some plus 2, 3, 4, 5 if you like, and you can save the presets. Save presets. So it will be here for the next time, so you don't need to write. So I'm saving a couple of. I copy the points. So as you can see, they are randomly oriented and random scale. I applied also rock material, and we go at the beginning, add a camera, couple of lights, and here it is. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment and thank you very much.